So today we've brought together arborists from Northern New England, Division 19, for a day of training. We embrace teaching. It builds the foundation to make good decisions on their own eventually.
The incredible thing that Bartlett brings to the table for training is shared resources and language, and we can all reference that. We're all coming from the same knowledge pool, which means we all land in the same place, which is what's best for the tree and also what's best for the client.
The amount of resources that we have in information in plant healthcare is a lot. As a young applicator and someone that's new, having an access to that and an understanding of how to use it is huge.
At Bartlett Tree Experts, we often say the most important person is the last person hired.
I'm Megan Strauss. I work through the Portland office, and I've been with Bartlett about 7 months, and I'm a plant healthcare specialist. This was my first kind of workshop outdoor training, actually getting hands-on experience. What I found most valuable was to be able to see how the different offices work through different treatments.
Pick parts and pieces of what they've learned today, make it their own, perfect it, and then share that with someone else. So it's a generational thing. We're building for the next generation. Another one of our goals today is that we establish long-term relationships with each other. The trainers will be mentors for all the trainees. That will continue to follow with them beyond today.
As a trainer today, I think I have two big takeaways, and one is that there's community out here. My hope is that every trainee will leave here with a personal relationship with at least one other trainer, and that's someone they can call when they have questions. Everybody here has been sent here by their local office. That is a huge amount of resources. And from our division, committing to all of these trainers being here, we've pulled a lot of resources to be together today. And I think it's important for people to know that they are part of a company and community that are going to support them.
The training days like today, people remember.
As a new employee, something that excites me about being trained with Bartlett is that they offer a lot of hands-on experience, which is something that is really valuable to me. That's exactly how I learn. So coming to events like this and being able to take in new information and put it into practice immediately is really what solidifies the new knowledge for me.